think Hercules was able to achieve 70 years in the industry by the people that make the brand what it is. I think it's always been a good, strong team that's been customer focused, and I believe that that's what has provided Hercules the longevity that it has.
So when you think about any brand that has lasted for 70 years in any category, there's got to be a few reasons why consumers continue to support it and buy that brand. In the case of Hercules, I think it's been such a long-standing brand because it's been focused on quality and innovation since day one.
It can only achieve 70 years if you have passionate people that are dedicated to the product. But we also have fantastic dealers that are very committed to the product to continue to push the brand forward.
You know, we've got a track record now with Hercules with customers that have had superb service from the tires. It's just turned out to be a great product for us, and that flows over into our salespeople's willingness to sell it because they believe in it.
Hercules has been able to keep coming out with new innovative products. We've grown into new segments outside of just passenger light truck, like what I deal with, commercial, farming, industrial, all these different new segments that we're getting into as a brand. I think we just keep being agile and ever changing, and I think that's how we've gotten to where we are today.
The consumer that's used the tires had a great experience. They're able to get a great value for that product, and of course when the product is out on the road it performs.
Since the acquisition of Hercules Tire by ATD, there's been tremendous growth.
I would say the biggest difference is the sheer distribution footprint that ATD brings to the table and provides as a vehicle. So now we're like in so many more different markets and the pockets that we would not have the reach otherwise.
Where I see Hercules Tires going in 10 years is we're going to remain at the top.
I think there's a lot of opportunity for Hercules to continue its growth path as we continue to focus on marketing and we continue to really enhance our product portfolio as we grow. So I see growth over the next 10 years.
In the next 10 years, I really see Hercules continuing to evolve into other segments.
There's a lot of change going on in the industry right now. So items like electric vehicles are coming into the marketplace, new ideas in mobility. And I think you can be assured that Hercules will be there alongside those changes in the car park and in the industry, providing new and innovative products at the right price and the right value for the consumer and for these new industrial customers that are coming out that will be involved in fleets and other items as we move forward. So we're trying to stay on trend with the brand, and the team at Hercules continues to innovate around those trends and where the future is headed in the tire industry to make sure that we are always having the best quality product, the most innovative product available for our dealers to take, sell, and make some money on as they head into the marketplace itself.
For us to know that, as I learned a little more of the history and the background of the company, knowing that they have been around for a good while and have a good reputation that's only getting better, certainly gives us more confidence when we go to market with that product.